I,
Hmm?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay. Have you eaten? Hmm.
No,
Not yet. All right. Okay, Miranda. So are you ready?
yes,
Yes. Did you take a nap before our class? Hmm?
no.
No? Okay. So Miranda, we will just going to continue our lesson. Okay. The topic is giving your own opinion. So you will going to give your own opinion using the expressions given in the book. Okay, like actually, I'm convinced that I'd say that, or in my opinion. Okay, so you will just going to construct a sentence, your opinion. So you will going to express your opinion about Dave business. Okay, do you still recall your answers with the exam task about Dave business, about food truck? Hmm? About this one. So you said that when they realize food truck, okay, wait. Food truck, okay, food truck near D, you answered it in the sports center were successful. He decided to buy one. Okay, so since we have finished this activity, now you will going to give your own opinion about this business. So you will gonna give your opinion. It can be positive or it can be negative. For example, in a positive way. Okay, so let's try personally, I think. So I will give you an example. It can be positive like um yes, it's a good job to have. It's a good job to have. Okay, personally, I think running a food truck is a fantastic job because it gives you the freedom to be your own boss. Okay. To be your own boss. And then the negative side is no, it's a tough job. It's not a good choice. Okay, it's not a good job. Okay, we will going to use this in my opinion, this expression in my opinion. Running a food truck looks like incredibly hard work with very little security. Okay. So you will just going to express your opinion. Simple as that. Okay? There's no wrong answer.
Okay,
Okay, you will just going to choose here what expressions would you like to use, and you will going to tell me if it's a good job to have or not. So what do you think? What is your opinion? Okay, Miranda, let's start.
I, in my opinion,
Mhm.
running a food truck
Work business.
is it's a good is a good job because
Mm-hmm.
it's popular to everyone and they can pay to him by buying food. He don't have to work very hard every day and he can also have fun with his customers.
Yes, but of course, when you are running a business, you need to work hard with your business in your to your work. Okay. Because in food truck business, he's the only man, or it is his business, and he's only the employee that can serve the customers. Okay. So he needs to work hard. All right. And how about the negative side, Miranda? Hmm? What do you think is the negative side? Like, why do food truck business is not a good choice?
In my negative side is
Hmm. I think, okay,
I
yes, your
I
opinion.
I say that
I
is
person.
personally I think
Mm-hmm.
is not a good job because of the
Of the, of, of the what? Hmm?
the
Personally, you think that it's not a good job, and what is the reason? Because, what do you think about it? Because what? Hmm? Like for example, if you're running a food truck business, usually you have to sleep there, right? Usually you have to sleep inside the truck. If you are going to move from place to place, right? Okay. So what do you think is the reason why is it not a good choice of job? Because
because of the living environment.
yes, or security concern of the living environment, because if you're running a food truck business, you need sometimes you need to sleep inside the truck. So it's not safe. Okay. All right, so let's move to the page, to the next page. Okay. Can you read this for me, Miranda? Look at this. You're showing me your teeth. Look at this extract. What are you doing with your tongue? Hmm? Okay, let's proceed in our reading. Number one.
Number one.
Yes, number one. Look
Please stop on the recording and listening and answer the question for the underlying.
about the underlined. Okay, letter A. Once.
I made that decision. The next step was to raise the money.
B.
My friend George, who used to run a market store, I would try to work out whether they
Mm-hmm.
were selling enough.
Very
I know
good.
those by the shopping mall had quiz.
Use. Use.
You.
Mm-hmm.
When I
Okay.
was drawing up my plans if I felt it was essential to find a business partner. I've been taking an
Taking.
taking an interest in the food trucks.
Yes, okay. So notice the underlined words like I'd made, used to, run, would try, noticed, was drawing, and I'd been taking, sorry. Okay. So we will going to uh, look at these extracts from the recording and listening and answering these questions about the underlined word. Okay, which verbs from do we use? Number one. Can you read number one for me, Miranda? For actions.
For
For
action
actions.
or events in the past.
Yes, for actions. It is an action or events in the past. So look at the underlined word and tell me the letters that correspond in this question. Look at the underlined words that is corresponding in this question. It says that actions or events in the past. Is it made? Is it used to? Is it run? Is it would try? Noticed? Was drawing? I'd been taking. For
At
actions or events in the past. In the past. So it's already happened.
once I had made that decision.
Hmm?
When I had made that decision.
Okay. Is it letter A? Something
Yes.
that was already going on. Okay, sorry. Okay. Something that is already finished or already in the past. Events in the past. The answer is for
D.
actions. For
D.
actions. We are
D.
talking about actions. Ah,
D.
D. Okay. Very good. D. Noticed. Okay. We use the past simple for finished actions or events in the past. D. I noticed all those by the shop. Okay. I noticed all those by the shopping mall had queues. Had queues or line. Queues is line. So if you saw a people who's lining up, for example, to get their food, or for example in the airport, it's called queues. Okay, Miranda?
Okay.
Okay, so number two, to talk about something that was going on when something else happened. Something's going on. Okay, something that was going on when something else happened.
And Miranda.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what is your answer, Miranda? Why are you grinning like that? What happened? Okay, so what is your answer for number two? Hmm? What are you doing? Okay, what is your answer for number two? Something that was going on, still going on when something else happened. So it's a past continuous. We are looking for, okay, is it I'd made? Used to, used to run, okay, used to run, sorry. Would
I
try.
was growing up
Okay,
E.
letter E, very good. Okay, how about number three? Oops.
When we are already talking about the past and we want to talk about
And we want to talk about an earlier event. What letter is it? So we are talking about past perfect simple. Past perfect simple. Number one is past continuous. Like I noticed all those shopping mall headquarters. And number two is past also. Past simple is number one. Past simple. Number two is past continuous. Like something that was going on and when something else happened. Okay, and we are looking for past perfect simple for number three. So what is your answer?
uh
When we are already talking about the past, we want to talk about an earlier event. What is this?
I had been talking. F
Letter?
F
Is it letter F? I'd been taking an interest in the food trucks. It says that we are talking about the past and we want to talk about an earlier event. At the same time, we are talking about an earlier event. So it's a past perfect simple. It is okay, letter for example,
I had
okay.
made A.
Yes, letter A. Because it says that once I made that decision, the next step was to raise the money. Okay, very good. Okay, how about number four? Number four. Excuse me. What is number four, Miranda? To talk?
To talk about some long something went up on the point in the past.
Mm-hmm. Yes. To talk about how long something went on up to a point in the past. In the past. Okay. It's your answer earlier. What is this
F
Yes, letter F. Like I'd been taking an interest in the food trucks. I'd been taking. So, to talk about how long something went on up to a point in the past. Okay. I'd been thinking or I'd been taking an interest in the food trucks. All right. Number 5. To talk. To talk. To talk without. What are you doing? Okay, number 5,
to
Miranda.
talk without using time expression about things we did regularly in the past but don't do anymore.
To talk without using. What's that? To talk without using time
C
expressions.
C
Letter?
C
Is it letter C? I would try. Hmm. It says that to talk without time expressions about things. Okay, about things we did regularly in the past but don't do anymore. Like for example, I used to. It means that I am doing it in the past but not anymore. I used to. Letter. The answer is letter.
I to be B.
Yes, letter B. The word
C.
is
B,
used
C.
to. My friend George, who used to run a market stall, it means who used to run. It means it's in the past, but not anymore. Used to. Okay? What are
Okay.
you doing? All right, number six, Miranda. Like, number six. What are you doing with your teeth?
Number
Okay,
six.
like five.
C. Number six. C.
What is your answer? C,
C.
like five, but only for actions, not states. Okay, I would try to work out whether they were selling enough. All right. So the answer is letter C. Okay. So let's move to activity two.
Close, close.
Close. What is that? Hmm?
Mas, what is this? I have to check. Oh my
Is it a
gosh.
is it that what like body spray? Hmm?
I don't know. I have to check.
Okay. You should read the label of the bottle before you spray it on yourself. What if it's
Marine,
what if it's
Marine
a hairspray?
sunspray. It's sunspray. Chọc
Okay.
ngọc.
Number two, correct the mistakes in the sentences. Okay, so you will going to correct each mistakes in the sentences written by the exam candidates. In some cases, what are you doing, Miranda? Okay, in some cases, more than one answer is possible. Okay, so we will go into correct each sentence. But first, before we correct it, um find we should find what is wrong with each sentences. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Mistakes? Like you will going to look
Oh
for
my
the
gosh.
mistakes. Okay, let's see. Okay, wipe it up first. What is that? What is that? Is that a wound? You have a
No,
wound?
no, it's just
A stain.
the makeup
A
thing.
okay, a makeup stain. I thought it's a blood.
Uh,
Okay,
if
Miranda.
it's blood, how can I smile?
Because okay.
What if it's-
Can you see the screen?
Oh, I
Can you can you see the screen?
oh my
Oh my god.
gosh. Oh,
Okay. So look at the screen, Miranda. So we will going to correct each sentences, correct the mistakes in each sentences written by exam candidates. In some cases, okay, in
oh
some
yeah.
cases, more than one answer is possible. So it can be more than one. What are you doing? Okay, number one. Can you read number one for me? Let's try to answer this. Number one. I saw, I saw.
I saw that Amy carried a heavy bag, so I offered to help her.
Okay, so how do you write it in a correct sentence, in a correct way? So if you were going to rewrite this statement, How will you gonna correct it?
I saw that Amy
Carried.
is
It means, is it is?
was
Yes,
was
was.
was carry a
Was.
handbag. So I have been I've been offered I've offered
No.
I offered to help her.
Yes, I offered to help her. So your answer is was, right? Was? Was what? Was carrying or was carried? What is your answer?
Was carrying.
Yes, was carrying. Very good. So it's a past continuous. Past is was, carrying is a continuous action, continuous action, carrying. Okay. Number two, she started
She
mm-hmm,
she started walking back to the garage where she left her car the
the day.
before.
Yes, the day before. So if you were gonna rewrite it again, so how will you gonna correct this statement, this sentence?
She
She started. Mm-hmm.
she has started walking back to the
Is it she
garage.
has? Is it she has?
She was she has
No.
she started
Walk.
walking
Okay.
back to the garage
Mm-hmm.
where she has
Had.
had had left her car the before car
Her car the day before.
before.
Yes. Perfect, simple. Past perfect, simple. Had left. Okay. Because leaving the car happened before she started walking back to the garage. Okay, let's proceed to number three. I used to. Ah, I
I
used
used to
to.
be I used to be a shop assistant for about 3 years.
Yes, I used to be a shop assistant for about 3 years. So, okay, let's rewrite. We will going to rewrite this statement, this sentence.
Vì sao à?
So, how will you gonna rewrite this sentence correctly? This statement. I was. What is it?
I I was used to be a shop
No.
assistant.
You were gonna remove the used because you already used the was. I was.
I was a shop assistant for about 3 years.
Very good. Okay, well done.
Ăn lắm vậy?
All right,
Ngon.
Miranda.
Thật ra em sẽ muốn nhưng mà nó bẩn nước óc. The party was
Okay.
something that
Mm-hmm.
5 giờ bây giờ 20 phút nữa.
The
Alo.
party was something.
Ba lagi saya dari
So how will you gonna rewrite this in a correct way? We were the party was.
the
The
party
party
was
was. Mm-hmm.
something that we organized for weeks before his birthday.
Okay, what can you repeat your answer, Miranda? The party
The party
was something.
was something that we were organized.
That we had been
That we had been organized before weeks.
organizing
Organizing.
for weeks before his birthday. Okay, so we are using past perfect continuous, okay, to show an ongoing continuous action. So had been, the answer is the party was something that we had been organizing. Had been organizing, it is a past perfect continuous. Had, past, and organizing is a continuous action. Okay, Miranda? All right. Did you understand? Okay, Miranda, can you re-enter again the Zoom?
Okay.
Okay. Oops.